No, right now. Who can sound like a parrot? Because he'll go,
Jedward.
Jedward. And then,
Hello.
Jedward is him saying it.
Jedward. Jedward.
Hello.
Jedward. Jedward.
Walk away and see what he does.
Answers are fucking easy.
Oh, there's too much people now.
Everyone walk away. Just walk away.
Hello.
Jedward. Just was me. Yeah, just walk. Jedward. Hello.
Do you ever see that picture?
Hello. Why does he only come out? Because he's trained. Hello.
Fuck off. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Are we waving? Hello.
Waving.
I could get a job here and teach him how to
It's
say
Jedward. Jedward.
He has like wrinkly face.
Jedward. Sean and
Jedward.
Jedward. Jedward.
Jedward.
And look like hook.
Jedward. 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 I know, leave him. He's a stupid board. He doesn't know how to say anything.
Come on, let's walk away.
Let's go.
Stupid board doesn't know how to talk. Jedward. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Hey, you're supposed to say goodbye and we walk away.
Goodbye.
Why aren't the other two talking?
Hello. Yeah, why aren't our friends talking?
The other one talks in the back.
Mommy.
See you later. We're gone and Edward. A mouse, a rat. Right, come on, we walk away.
Oh no, Hello. Did they eat mice?
I don't
Hello. Oh, there's a mouse there, see?
Oh my god, look at the little mice and they're going to eat them.
Yeah.
What is that fun?
Hello.
Right, I'll walk here. Everyone just, like, you know. I didn't even get a recording of you saying it.
You say it soon.